Today is something a little different, but you are going to love it. Now, we invest our time, dollar monies, and our effort into painting these little action dollies, but most of us are doing it at a hobby desk that is void of any excitement. Fasten your buckles, because today we are going to decorate our area with not one, but two life-size Space Marine helmets. Now, because that gives off some serious Daft Punk vibes, we're going to do all of it whilst jamming to some serious tunes. Hit it. Our adventure begins with my favorite step, planning. Man, I love planning. Anyway, let's have a look at our hobby space and see how much room we have to work with. The Discord community dropped in some of their photos of their hobby spaces, and once we've all done a cheeky tidy up, we can identify an area for our decoration to sit. That could be on our desk, on a shelf, or a poster stuck to the wall. We don't want you feeling cluttered. As for me, I have a lot of real estate to play with, so I'm going to tell Gordon that he can pick any Space Marine helmets. Oh my god, of course he picked full-size Space Marine helmets. The kids are away for a couple of days, so I've set up the Ender 3 printer from Creality in one of their rooms, and I'm queuing up print after print after print. And I selected a black coloured filament because, brother, this is the grimdark future where you can find yourself lost, searching for the slightest spark from the beacon that is the light of the Emperor. Gordon went for purples. Of course he did. Now, I was of the belief that we could just glue all these different pieces together and we'd be ready to go. I don't think I've ever seen Gordon look so offended. Apparently, post-printing aftercare is a core value of his very own religion, and he assures me that by doing it his way, the helmets will be harder, better, faster, stronger. I've asked Gordon to talk us through the steps that he's taken with the filler and sanding to give these such a smooth finish.
Are you for real, Michael? I told you I'm away and unavailable with my family, okay? I'm not going to do a stupid recording for your stupid YouTube video. Just figure it out yourself. Post-processing is yet another thing you have no idea of, just like the resin safety tips I gave you, alright? It's not as simple as just chucking some glue on it. You got to fill it and sand it and everything. Don't call me again.
Haha, that's great advice. Thanks, Gordon. And for anyone else painting along at home, you can do the same. But this is a painting channel, so let's paint. Now, this video has an undeniable musical theme to it, which is largely thanks to the light bulb moment I had when I was painting two full-size futuristic space helmets and they were sitting next to each other on the desk. Which got me thinking, I've always wanted to create some more relaxing painting videos as well. The kind of video where I paint, you can see what I'm doing, but instead of me talking the whole time, you get some funky beats and you get to relax and paint along with your current project.
No, brother, they expect one of us in the record.
So we are going to lightly test that today. Break out your brushes and paint along as Jamie Beale captivates you with his entertaining sounds. It is time to lose yourself to dance.
just like always. You got your own way, along with champagne. People ain't got your back, and you can't turn back. You call me up, just saying hi. You moved away to buy sophistication. You met a guy who's got a wife, drives a Ferrari, but you know what they say about him. You said, you said, you said, you said, you said, but we can't go back. No, we can't go back. Just like always, you got your own way, along with champagne. People ain't got your back, and you can't turn back. Call me up to say you're fine. Big dreams in Hollywood, but you're sick at the station. You change your face, but lost your smile. Ain't it a shame you're the latest thing you're running from? You said, you said, you said, you said, you said, but we can't go back. No, we can't go back. Just like always, you got your own way, along with champagne. People ain't got your back, and you can't turn back. Just like always, they ain't got your back, and you can't turn back. Just like always, they ain't got your back, and you can't turn back. Like cherry cola, feel the spilling over, but I know that look in your eyes. Now we're undressing, but still I'm second guessing. We've been down this road 1,000 times. Your rock was gone, your rock was gone, your rock was gone. When I need you, you feel so wrong, it feels so wrong. When I need you, your rock was gone, your rock was gone, your rock was gone. When I need you, it feels so wrong, it feels so wrong. Caught in the middle of your love and your ego. Come on now. Caught in the middle, 'cause you don't wanna let go. Let go of your ego. Yeah, you're a looker, you're cinnamon and sugar, but you're the only thing on your mind.
You can find Jamie's music on Spotify, you can find his music videos on YouTube, and you can also follow him on Instagram from anywhere around the world. I'll add some links below so that you can easily find him, and it would mean the world to me if you help support his passion by maybe leaving a cheeky comment or two, letting him know that you've come from the Badger community. Now please, can we check out the finished Space Marine helmets?
Like a stone cold killer, keep rising now. Are we today?
Now I hope you are as excited about 2025 as we are here at the channel. We are about to launch and start recording our first episodes of the Flashing Badger podcast. The gear has arrived and we are unboxing everything and starting to test it out.
This is DJ Southstraps coming at you live from the basement with Horace Heresy Minor.
Yeah, come on, yeah, Rhyme so tight, you know that's why they call me spandex. Break out your brush, follow these guides if you want to understand us. True metallic, non-metallic metal. Either way you pick, I'm gonna take you to a higher level. Choices in the hobby, it don't matter which. Just pick up your brush and stop being a little bitch. Now lucky for you, the podcast is instead going to just be Gordon hosting single shot RPGs and not me dropping dope bars on you. As we get closer to the release date, I'll start to increase the hype around these parts. But if you want to stay in the know, then be sure to give us a follow or join our Discord. Jamie Beale, thank you so much for reaching out and sharing your amazing music. It is evident how strong the work is that you've put into your passion, and the funky music matches this channel. So let's stay in touch, am I right? These amazing patron members are the reason that the channel is in such a healthy state right now. That's why we can make videos like this, but also venture out into new projects like the Flashing Badger podcast. As a way of saying thanks, there'll be podcast episode exclusives that'll be up on the Patreon, and if they want to get lucky, I may even drop some of my freestyle beats in there as well. Congrats to Tim for winning the epic December painting competition on the channel, where we had over 50 different entrants. Tim was chosen at random, but his model was beautiful, and he's going to win a whole host of prizes from our channel sponsors, including this. He's picked out this model for me to paint for him. If you'd like to be a part of our painting comps, snap, come join our channel Discord. Now my wife has told me that I look stupid when I wear this helmet, but you know me, I'd rather look stupid and be safe than fall and split my head open during the act of lovemaking. Standman me, this area of your hobby desk, I want you to keep it clear of any clutter because I've got you in my sights and I have an idea on how I'm going to decorate it for you. We're also going to turn to our Discord community now to get some inspiration on how they decorate their hobby spaces. But what else? Thank you, you right there. You have made it this far through the video because you're amazing. So, how am I going to reward you? The next video is going to be a painting guide, but then after that, we're going to continue the Blood Angels painting journey. Until then, get out of here. One more time. Harder, better, faster, stronger. Is that about to fall? How close was that?